Renaming a folder, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about a very useful computer-related phrase, rename a folder. This is a common action we do on computers, and understanding what it means can be very helpful. So, let's dive into the world of digital organization and learn together. Rename a folder refers to the process of changing the name of a folder on a computer or digital device. A folder is a way to organize files, like documents or photos, on your computer. Renaming it can help you keep things organized and easy to find. You might need to rename a folder when 1. The current name is too vague or confusing. 2. You want to categorize your files differently. 3. The folder's purpose has changed. 4. You want to make the name more specific or descriptive. Renaming a folder is simple. Here's a general way to do it. 1. Right-click on the folder you want to rename. 2. Select Rename from the menu. 3. Type the new name for the folder. 4. Press Enter to save the new name. Note: the steps might slightly vary depending on your operating system, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. 1. Use clear and descriptive names. 2. Avoid using very long names. 3. Use names that make sense for the folder's content. 4. Remember, you can always rename it again if needed. Renaming a folder is a simple but powerful way to keep your digital files organized. I hope this video helps you understand how to do it and why it's useful. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.